In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix error 262 in Roblox. So this error indicates a connection failure between your device and the Roblox servers. So the first thing I suggest checking is you actually have a Wi-Fi connection, preferably have a wired internet connection. The next thing you can do is reset your modem. To do this, you just need to unplug it for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. The next thing you're going to check is that you have no VPN turned on. So to do this, go into your settings, go to network and internet, and then click on VPN. In this menu here, you have a list of VPNs that you have on your computer. I don't have any installed, so I won't have any in this menu here. The next thing we're going to do is clear the cache on our browser. To do this, open up your browser, click on the three dots, go down to settings, go to privacy and security, go to delete browsing data, make sure cached images and files are selected, and then set the time frame to the last time you played Roblox and you didn't have this issue with the error code. And then all you need to do is press delete data. Now to clear the cache on our computer, press Windows and R, and then type in %, local app data, %. Press enter, and now find the file called temp. Open it up, press the three dots, press select all, and then put it in the bin. So the next thing we're going to do is go into our start menu, go to settings, go to apps, press installed apps, and now type in Roblox. Now we need to press the three dots and press uninstall next to Roblox Player and Roblox Studio. So we're going to uninstall both of these, and then what you need to do is reinstall Roblox. So go to your Chrome browser and type in roblox.com, press on the game, press the blue play button, and then follow the steps to reinstall Roblox. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.